Sorry about all the rushing about, Detective, but there's trouble in Moscow. St. Basil's Cathedral. You know, that colorful Russian building with the onion domes? It's been disintegrated. All that's left is a giant pile of sand. This sounds like a vile crime to me. Get to Moscow fast and find out what's going on before any more monuments get turned into giant sandcastles. To solve this case, you need to figure out which vile villain committed the crime. Carmen's clumsy minions often leave clues behind that can help you figure out who they are. When you have enough clues to name the villain, you can apply for an arrest warrant. If you name the right villain, you can arrest them yourself.
I need a few buckets of sand to analyze. Can you find buckets of sand that have equivalent values?
Find a pair of buckets with equivalent values. Drag the buckets to the empty slots. Then press Submit and continue. Great job! Great job! Great job! Great job! Well done. You found the buckets with equivalent amounts.
Can you find the weight of each of the 3 fish?
Drag the sliders to select a weight for each fish. Press Submit when you're done. You found the weight of each fish. The trick is to find a set of numbers that makes all 3 equations true.
Can you show me the change I need to give you in American money using the least number of bills and coins?
Drag the least number of bills and coins to the counter to show the change you should get. Remove bills and coins by dragging them off of the counter. Press Submit when you're done. Well done! You calculated the change by finding the difference between the price and the amount you gave, using the fewest bills and coins possible.
Can you solve these equations so I can complete my analysis of the sand?
Select the number that will make each equation true. Press Submit and continue when you're done. Excellent! One way to find the missing value is to use the inverse operation.
Can you use the clues to match the room numbers to the correct names on the directory?
Drag the number that matches each clue. Press Submit when you're done. Nice work, Detective! A prime number is a whole number greater than 1 that only has 2 factors, 1 and itself. A composite number is a whole number greater than 1 that has more than 2 factors.
Can you make sense of these cards and complete the square? Each digit from 1 through 9 is used only once. The numbers in each row, column, and diagonal add up to 15.
Drag the cards to the correct place in the square. The numbers in each row, column, and diagonal must add up to 15. Press Submit when you're done. Good job! You've arranged the cards correctly. All of the rows, columns, and diagonals have a sum of 15.
I need to figure out the secret recipe for the prize-winning chili for tonight's barbecue. Can you help?
Drag the number of teaspoons of each type of spice to the pot. Press Submit when you're done. Wonderful work! You used the clues to figure out the secret chili recipe.
Can you use the dials to find the combination to unlock the safe?
Turn the dials to the correct combination. Press Submit when you've finished. Excellent! You cracked the code by setting the dials to combine numbers and operators that equal the numbers given.
This is the outline of the pyramid's base. Can you help me find the missing measurement?
You know the length of one side. What is the perimeter of the pyramid's base? Use the keypad to enter your answer. Press Submit when you're done. That's right. Since the pyramid has a square base, you can use the formula perimeter is equal to side plus side plus side plus side to find the missing measurement.
There are 8 fake statues and 1 real sphinx. The real sphinx weighs more than the fakes, but you'll only be able to use the balance 2 times before the shopkeeper notices. Can you use the balance to find the real sphinx?
Drag equal numbers of statues to each side of the balance and press Weigh to compare them. When you find the real sphinx, drag it to the area labeled the real sphinx. Press Submit when you're done. Super work! You solved the riddle and found the heaviest statue in 2 tries, the real sphinx. Somewhere in the Pacific.
Acme fools! You dare challenge me in my element? You will need a net the size of an ocean to catch Dr. Depth. Unhand me, air breathers! I am a doctor! Why should I have to visit dry land to see the great buildings of the world? Why go to them when I can bring them to me? You've won today, Acme, but mark my words. One day soon, the tide will turn.